Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is day 5 of Vlogmas. Let's make some wild rice, okay? It's going to be truly delicious. So we are going to go from start to finish, okay? I hope y'all ready. Happy holidays. So you're going to add your rice to the bowl. Oh my God, listen. I love me some wild rice. It has a nutty flavor, okay? It's truly delicious. And it's healthier than white rice. So, I'm trying to stay away from starches. So, yeah, I just chose to go with the wild rice. And what we're doing here is making sure there's no pebbles because, some rice have like dirt pebbles and things in there. So, we're just running it through, making sure that we just have grains of rice. Now what we're going to do is pour some water in here. Now we're not soaking it overnight. So I'm showing you how the method without, having to soak it overnight or for days, So we're going to just go ahead and rinse and rub it together just like so. And just do it several times. Pour the water off. Refill it with some more water. Pour it off. Yeah, so we're straining this to make sure that our rice is what to our liking. Okay, nice and clean and get all that dirt and grit and all that, and try to get some of the starches off as well. So I'm going to do this several times and then strain it, then several times, and then we're going to add it to our pot. All right, so I hope y'all doing well and I hope y'all enjoyed your Thanksgiving. All right, so here it is. We have our rice inside the pot, our saucepan, and we're going to fill it with some water. Now, you do your measurements. This is 2.5 cups of rice. So I am going to add 3.5 cups of water. I like firm rice and not too soggy. So that's why I'm not using too much water. And we're going to put it on medium high and put it on the stove top. And as soon as it starts to boil, we're going to turn it on real low and let it finish cooking for about 45 minutes. Now I added some salt, some fresh cracked peppercorn medley, okay, and some extra virgin olive oil, and then I put me a bouillon cube in there. I sure did. And then we just let this cook it up, okay? Whatever bouillon cube you like to use, your brand, use it. So whether it's beef, chicken, or whatever. Now we're going to pour about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil in there. And then we'll give it a nice stir. I also chopped up some fresh herbs, some fresh parsley, and some fresh thyme from my garden, okay? Yes, I love my indoor garden, all right? Those herbs is popping, baby. Trust me. I'm going to cut these up. Mince. And we're going to add it to our pot. All right, y'all, it's time to plate up. All right, y'all, let's dig in. Look at this gravy, though. I just want y'all to see that roux. That roux is delicious. Take a look at that. All right, let's dig in, y'all. Get some of that. Piece of chicken. Take a bite. This thing hot, y'all. I'm trying to burn my mouth. All right. You see the okra? You can't even really taste the okra, really. And the okra still have a crunch to it as well. But this is what's up. Did you enjoy your shrimp and your seafood gumbo?
Yeah.
Okay. So they like the seafood gumbo. I wish I could have had some shrimps and crabs, but guys, this is it. Get you some. Later.